Welcome back. We're going to let Jet hop in because she is dying to go on the road. It's a beautiful day today. Let's check our fluids. A little leery. Still good, guys. Still good. And we had a long drive yesterday. Got out there about an hour and 20 minutes. Checked it. It was fine. Checked it now. It's fine. It's looking like Blue Devil is the ticket. I just had a towel in my hands, all folded up nice to check the oil. And, well, I don't know what I did with it. We'll grab a new one. I am religiously checking the water and the oil for this Blue Devil test to make sure, well, we don't have any issues. I'm gonna pop this free. It's probably gonna be easier if I move to the side of the car. Get it all cleaned off there. Got a little hair down there, a little hair filament off of that awesome blue paper towel, which I always seem to get my fingers oily, so these towels don't work well. Perfect level. Yeah, these towels are shop towels that, well, I think are the worst towels ever. So, from worst towels ever to Blue Devil taking care of us. I'm gonna toss this in the back. Maybe. I don't even know if the keys are in here. They are. And then we're gonna fire her up and get on the road, guys. First stop, not far from here. Just a little hop, skip, and a jump. We'll run in there and check out the salon. See if they, well, need any salon supplies. Any grooming supplies. Would be better than forward at this point. Okay, nobody coming. Wouldn't think so, but look, there are so many times I have been like, what in the heck? How in the heck did that car get here? Where did they come from? Okay. Let's go make the bacon, guys. So if you don't know what I do for a living, I'm a cold call salesman. Oh no, on purpose, yeah. Purposely. Cold call. That's the only way for me to meet all the groomers out there in the U.S.A. People are like, everyone? Look, I'm gonna miss some shops. They open, they close so fast, it's hard to get, advertising out sometimes. And, well, a lot of businesses are like I am, word of mouth. So, if you get a chance to give Willy a great word, feel free to give Willy a great word. Storm alert, guys. Garmin just said, big old storm alert. I'm thinking, storm alert? Why do we have no engine temperature? And where is that thing going? Where do you think we're actually going? Everything's going haywire right now. Have been having a lot of issues with, electronics. It's not been a good thing lately. I should be able to click disconnect, and she should disconnect. She is not disconnecting at all. No trouble codes, which is normal. Well, that may be right. It says 0 on the car too. So oddly enough, it might just be below what it'll register, or it's got air. It's got air up by the temp, and it's not actually registering. It's saying there's no temp. No temp. See what happens when we shut it down and reopen it. It may temp up then. Oh, here it goes. It's climbing. It's climbing. It's climbing on the gauge. It's still at cold. I mean, cold. Pretty much the quarter mark, so it should be reading. So if foobarred at the beginning, I may have to shut it all down. Remind me later, I guess. Connect. You guys reconnect. We're there. I think this is the grooming salon right in here somewhere. No. Further down. Halfway up. So we're still not the operating temperature. I'd say 150-ish. 150-ish is what I'm guessing. 160 now. 170s by the time we get there, I think. It's not going to reconnect though. It's having a glitch. It is glitched up. Glitched up, guys, on the OBD Link 2. First time pretty much ever. It's not really like a big linker dinker doodle. We got to turn here. And they're there. Is way over, so I am way over. Let's see what the dashboard says now. 176. Perfect. Look at that.